Hi friends, I am your friend Advocate Namish Nigotia and you are watching my YouTube channel Legal Advice for Everyone. Friends, as you all know that in a civil suit or civil proceeding, the plaintiff or appellant or party to the suit has to deposit the original document in order to get it exhibited before the court. So today in this video, we will discuss that once the original document is being submitted or deposited before the court, can a party take back those original documents during the pendency of the suit? Can a party take back those documents after decision of the suit? Can a party take back those documents if the other party prefer an appeal against the decision of the suit? And if so, under which provision of law? What is the Order 13 Rule 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure? Before I proceed further with my video, I would like to request that if you have not yet subscribed my video, kindly subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, please share my videos to your friends and others. Friends, Order 13 Rule 9 says that once the original documents is deposited before the court in a civil proceeding, you can take back by the order of the court. You have to move an application, then the court will consider that application, then the court may order in its discretion either to return those documents or to disallow the application. Now, what is Order 13 Rule 9 C.P.C? It's a very important provision because what happens many times that parties used to deposit the original documents. Then after decision of the case, even after many years, they found at their home that they does not have the original documents. They forgot that they have deposited the original documents in a civil proceeding before the competent court of law. Then we have to move an application. Then what is the Order 13 Rule 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure? I would like to read Order 13 Rule 9. It says, return of admitted documents. Any person, whether a party to the suit or not, desirous of receiving back any document produced by him in the suit and placed on the record shall, unless the document is impounded under Rule 8, be entitled to receive back the same. What Order 13 Rule 9 Section 1 says? It says any person, whether he is a party to the suit or other person. Other persons means he may be a witness, he may produce in capacity of witness this document, is entitled to receive that original document in back unless it has been impounded by the court under Order 8 rule of the C.P.C. Now, subsection A says, where the suit is on which an appeal is not allowed when the suit has been disposed of, where he is entitled to receive back the documents in a suit where there is no provision of appeal and the suit is disposed of. The B says where the suit is one in which appeal is allowed, means the code, being the law, says that there is a provision of appeal. When the court is satisfied that the time for preferring an appeal has elapsed and that no appeal has been preferred, if an appeal has been preferred when the appeal has been disposed of. In what condition the court can return the documents? That although the code allows the appeal, there is a provision of appeal in the law, but the appeal has not been preferred by either of the party, or if it has been preferred, it has been disposed of, then the party is entitled to receive those documents. Proviso, it also has a proviso, provided that a document may be returned at any time earlier than the prescribed by this rule if the person applying therefore delivers to the proper officer for being substituted for the original in case of the party to a suit a certified copy. If he is a party to the suit, he has to submit a certified copy and he has to move an application. Then the court in its discretion may return the original documents. Subsection 2 says, in the case of any other person, an ordinary copy which has been examined, compared and certified in the manner mentioned in sub-rule 2 of Rule 17 of Order 7 and undertake to produce the original if required to do so. The court may provide the original document to the party if he give an undertaking that if at any point of time the court or appellate court, as the may be, will require the original document, he will submit that original document before the court. And we will also examine in this video one very important and relevant ruling of Madras High Court. On the return of a document admitted in evidence, a receipt shall be given by the person receiving it. The person will give a receipt. Now the question is how to draft the application for returning the original document under Order 13 Rule 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure. So first you have to write see friends, there can be two possibilities. The suit has been decided way back, long back, or the suit is pending. So what you have to do, you have to move an application under Order 13 Rule 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Now question is how to draft that application. You have to pay the proper stamp fees which is applicable in your state. Then you have to mention the name of the court. You have to move the application before the same court. You have to mention the name, title of the suit. You have to mention the complete title of the suit, the number of the suit. Then you have to state the heading application under Order 13 Rule 9 C.P.C. read with section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Then you have to mention, may it please your lordship, I am the plaintiff or defendant, whatever the case may be. I have submitted the original documents in the suit or proceeding. This suit has been disposed of or pending or appeal is not preferred, whatever the case may be. Then you have to say that I am required those documents for this purpose, for that purpose, for the purpose of my record. Then you have to submit. Then I am submitting the certified copies of those documents which I have obtained from the registry of the court. Then you have to undertake, that is very important, you have to give an undertaking that, sir, whenever this honorable court will order, I will return back the original documents. I will submit back the original documents as per the orders of the court, and I will make compliance of the orders of the court. And you have to also mention the detailed reason that why you require that document, and you have to make a prayer that kindly return me the original documents, whatever exhibits may be from such and such, such and such, such and such exhibits, or mentioned in such and such number in the list of the documents, and I have submitted the certified copy, and as per undertaking I will return or submit the original documents as and when this honorable court will require for any purposes. And you have to also move affidavit along with this application. Now the question is which documents you have to submit. You have to submit the certified copy of the suit, certified copy of that document. You may submit the wakalatnama if the application is preferred through your counsel. Now the question is what the court will do. The court will summon the original fine, and after hearing the arguments, the court may issue the notices to the other party, and after hearing the arguments, the court may return the original documents. The court may refuse to allow that application. Now, what is the judgments or citations in this regard? So first we will discuss the Madhya Pradesh High Court. The citation is Omkar Singh versus Lokendra Singh. It has been decided on the 7th of September 2022. An application has been moved with a prayer to return the original documents, and that application, the certified copy has been included. The Madhya Pradesh High Court says the applicant should be given the original documents as per the prayer. The next judgment is of Madras High Court. It's an important citation. What happened in this case? The suit was pending, and an appeal has also been preferred. During the pendency of the appeal, the record has not been summoned by the Madhya Pradesh High Court, and during the pendency of the appeal, before the subordinate court, one of the party moved an application under Order 13 Rule 9 to return that original documents. The subordinate court has returned the original document. So Madhya Pradesh High Court held that this original document may be required during the proceeding of the appeal. So the party should be directed to resubmit or submit again those documents which has already been returned to that party. Now, one important judgment of Karnataka High Court. The title is Mr. K. Balakrishna versus Messrs. Sri Yoga. It has been decided on 2nd of May 2018. What happened in this case? That plaintiff has filed an agreement to sell in a suit of a specific performance of contract, and that agreement was not properly stamped. The court has impounded that document. Thereafter, the application has been moved under Order 13 Rule 9 stating that kindly return that document. So the Karnataka High Court says that once the document has been impounded, that cannot be returned back to those party who is applying under Order 13 Rule 9. So in this video we have learned that how to obtain back the original documents. I would like to end this video. Thank you friends.